beautiful people, it's your girl Nelia, and I just woke up, so I'm a little sluggish. So I started last night doing some individual crochet. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about it yet, guys, but I'm gonna show you guys what I did, what I'm doing. So this is the hair I'm using. This is the authentic 2x jumbo Senegalese twist, 24 inches. I got it in a number 2, and I got it off Amazon because Amazon packaged 6 of these for about $32, I want to say, and I know Sam's Beauty sells it as well, so, but it is an Amazon Prime item, so I jumped on it. Outside the packaging. Poop. I'm not too crazy about this method because, well, I'll show you. As you can see, I have braided my hair. I try to do them medium size. You guys know I have thin natural hair, so they come out real tiny. I braided my hair all the way up and then I started crocheting in the twist. I'll show you guys my favorite method of doing them. There's tons of ways to do this, but I'm gonna show you the way that I like because I feel like it hides the braid and the twist more. The key to individual crochet twists, and I'm not a pro, but I'm learning, is that you want the braid to be smaller, obviously, than this. Either the same size or smaller, so it can like hide perfectly in the twist. Now, some of these are not smaller than the twist, so they're poking out pretty badly, but I'll go back and do that another time. Okay, so here is a braid ending kind of in a twist at the end. And what I've been doing is take my crochet needle and I go through the base of the braid, so you can see. Then I take my twist with the looped end and I place it on a hook and I pull through. Open the loop, grab the crochet hair, and pull it through. And then tighten. That's the base way of doing it for like any technique. You want to start off with just hooking it on to the root. But then actually getting your hair inside the twist is when things get funny. The one way I really like is weaving this through the twist and pulling my real hair through. So we're gonna do that. I'm not a pro, even though I have almost half my head done. So as you can see, I'm just pushing the hair through, like so. And then you wanna grab the end of your real hair and latch it on. This is trial and error, guys. And then begin to pull through. See? Then you want to do it again, but come to this midway point. And you just want to keep doing that till all your hair is in the twist. Voila. Now, it's tricky because you might have to go back. Like I can feel my real hair is really poking through right here. But it's not horrible, but it's not my favorite. The style, I mean. Still need some practice. But that is my favorite way because it's the most hidden. Also, I'm not crazy about individual crochet because I feel like it doesn't last long because your real hair could easily poke out of your twist. I feel like with faux locks this might be a good idea more than these twists, but you here. I got the twist going, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and finish the rest of this and come back to you guys with any tips or tricks that I learned and my final thoughts. And we're definitely gonna see how long this lasts because I'm wearing it on a trip and I'm feeling iffy about it already. All right, stay tuned, guys. So I finished my hair and I'm about to head out, but of course I'm gonna have to come and talk to you about it. So here we have it right now. I just tied it to the back, but I'll untie it for you as it gets caught. Okay, so right off bat, this style probably won't last that long. I'm just getting that feeling because it is jumbo twists, so they are large and the sections are large and my hair inside of them are large, so it's probably not gonna last too long. But also because the hair itself is very tangly and webby, as you can see already, which I read on Amazon some reviews, people were giving it 1 star because of that. But there's also a reviewer who was like, dip it in hot water, it solves all of those issues. So I'm gonna dip it in hot water. Not right now, but maybe tonight or tomorrow. I'll keep you guys updated on this hair for sure. You know, braids are poking through. The best solution would probably be, instead of braids, to do twists, but again, it won't even make it to my vacation, which is on Wednesday, Thursday, so it's Sunday. So, I don't know, so far I'm decent with it. I do like the look from far away. I'm worried it might be a little too hot on my neck, but it does look decent up. So, you'll probably see this up. I'll come back to you guys in a few days just to keep you updated and some tips about it and how I feel. The process itself did not take long at all. Crochet is actually, you know, for my really first time doing individual crochet, it is pretty fast. I'm not gonna lie, you guys got me beat on that. I think the longest process is just washing and blow drying your hair and then braiding it up, of course. So I like it and then I don't like it. I can't decide yet. So I'll keep you guys posted, and yeah, see you in a few days. Okay guys, hey, what's up? It's me a few days later, and I haven't done anything to these. Like, I oiled my scalp yesterday, and that's about it. I took one down and I saw it, and I was like, oh, the catastrophe. Okay, that's the actual, let me make y'all taller. This hair is just not my friend. Wow. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna have to fix some of these. And then also I noticed this, I could easily start pressing like on my edges. So I'm gonna take that one out and redo it, and maybe relocate the braid. All in all, I do like the concept of this. Let me show you guys how I take them out. Let's do this one. So, pull the braid out. Okay. Then you want to pull the opposite. Pull on that loop we made, that little knot. Pull on it. This is really hard to do without a mirror. Pull on it pull on it, actually undo it, pop it out. Here's the braid. So pretty simple. I think it'd be easier if when you pull both the hair through the first time, you should take the braid with it, but I'll show you guys another day what I mean. I do plan on doing these again. I'm thinking of another style already, so if you guys want to, you know, stay tuned for that, let me know if that's something that interests you, or if you have a style you want to see me try, put it down below in the comments. I do plan on wearing these to my vacation, so we are going to test how they act in water, which I'm kind of scared about, so stay tuned for that video as well. Maybe touch some of these and I'll come back to you guys with that final look. And yeah, BRB. Guys, I don't want to keep you here all day, but I did redo some of them, but we still got a little ways to go. So I'm gonna just end the video here. Let me know what you guys think about individual crochets. Are you gonna try them out? Have you tried them out? Any tips or tricks for me? You know I'm open to it all, so let me know. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Join the family. I make new hair videos every week. Oof, need to do this one too. Look at that. I think that's about it, you guys. I'll catch you guys next time. I'm gonna finish my hair real quick. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.